So this is 6.2, and we're going to be going over how to calculate when the keyword is or more. So in the last examples, it was either an exact number, something or fewer than. When the word more is in there, either a number or more than, there's going to be two steps to it, and we'll go over the first one of those situations right now. So probability that 10 or more flights on time, we're now back to the one with the flights have been delayed. Sample size is 12 flights, so this represents the 12 flights. Probability that 10 or more of the flights were on time. So if we highlight that, that's what we want, 10 or more, 10, 11, or 12. But the calculator only knows how to process a number or fewer. So even though it's not what we want, we're going to calculate the probability of 0 through 9 flights being on time. And so we do that same way as we've been doing it. Second vars binomial CDF, because we want a range of numbers. Our trials is 12. Our p-value is 86 divided by 100, or 0.86, whichever way you want to put it in there. Now we have to decide what number to put in here. So we always want to put in the number that's the top of our range of interest. And right now our range of interest is 0 to 9. And we paste, and so we get this for the probability of anywhere from 0 to 9 flights being on time. But what we actually want is the opposite of that. We want 10, 11, or 12 flights to be on time. But since the overall probability of all of these situations together is equal to 1, which is like 100%, then we can take 1 minus what we don't want, which is 0 to 9 flights being on time, and that gives us the probability that 10, 11, or 12 flights were on time. So takeaway for this is if the word more is in your problem, then you're going to have to calculate the opposite number and then subtract that from 1.